Hello, this is Hassan Akhtar. Come here. Come here, I say, and watch this video. We're gonna talk about the ear sound today. This is a deep song again, and very beautiful and interesting one. If you produce this good enough, you're gonna speak like a pro, I promise. Look at the following sentences. Hey, come here. Come here. Her career is very clear to everyone. Or my beer has disappeared. My beer has disappeared. Where it is? So the sound, which is a diphthong, as in fear and tear and beer and gear and wear, so on. A very beautiful sound, and the production of this sound is once again a very simple, but हम उर्दू speakers इसको mix कर लेते हैं air के साथ. हम ये नहीं कहते come here, we say come here. Now this is not here, okay, this is here. This is a diphthong. Your sound begins here and then suddenly rises. Alright, and I have given you the words in which this sound is there. And now we are going to look at the production. As I was saying, the sound begins and then it suddenly rises. Come here. Hey, come here. Right? And now we're going to look at the sentences to practice the sound. I can hear with my ear the sound coming near. There are 3 ear sounds. I can hear with my ear the sound coming near. Her tears are very dear to the people who are sincere with her. I repeat it. Her tears are very dear to the people who are sincere with her. The weird guy is here and I feel sheer amazement in his presence. I repeat it. The weird guy is here and I feel sheer amazement in his presence. So this was ear sound, which is a diphthong. I'm repeating, and I want you not to mix it with the air sound, which that is another diphthong. We may be talking about it sometimes later, but this is ear sound, as in fear, tear, and wear. Right? So practice it. The sentences are right here in the description. That's it for today. See you next time.